It's Aldi time. Manly's got $1. I did not forget the Aldi bags. Woo! And it's not raining. Woo! It's a good day. Let's see. They've got some Tasty Bite protein bowls, Mediterranean style. Sweet chili noodle bowls. 90-second microwavable rice. Sweet and sour and mango chutney. Different salad toppings here. Dried cranberries and glazed walnuts. Spiced almonds and dried cranberries. We've got some chai tea latte. Hot honey mac and cheese. Pumpkin spice kettle corn and maple kettle corn. Fall. It is. Poppy. Oh look, they have cream soda flavored Poppy. What do we got, Sissy? Pillows? I definitely see pillows. These big body pillows are $12.99. They've got some of these little fire pits. I'm pretty sure I've seen these cheaper. I can't remember where, but they're $29.99. And, you know, they're not very big. I've seen them cheaper somewhere else. They've got some of these stainless steel mugs for $4.99. Nice colors. Baby blankets, crib sheets. Vented hairbrush. They've got some cute hair accessories here. Diaper backpack for $16.99. Here are the basket coolers. This is a good deal. They're only $9.99. They all have fall stuff on them, I think. Yeah, that's a good deal. It folds out bigger, you know, in there. It's pretty big. They also have some with footballs and helmets, this plaid design, and I think that's it. Yeah, and this one with all the pumpkin pies and lattes and everything. And these are just foldable utility totes, same designs, but it's just a tote bag. Rechargeable toothbrush, that's a pretty good deal, $19.99. It comes with 3 replacement toothbrush heads and 1 already there. Yeah, that's a good deal. They've got some new candles, banana brulee, smoked caramel praline, and what's this one? Pumpkin thyme. Oh, this is pretty. Pizza cutter with the serving board. That's really pretty. Don't know how much these are. It doesn't have the price. Oh, look, a charcuterie to-go board. That's neat. Now, like if you want to make a board, you know, to take to an event or something, and it has a cover, they're $19.99. That is neat.
Mama, what's that wooden thing on it?
It's a pizza cutter. Fall circle signs, Hello Pumpkin. They're $8.99. That one says, I love fall most of all. Welcome. Oh, that one's cute. Hello Fall with the pumpkins. That's really cute. They have these decorative pumpkin candles. Those are really pretty. They are $8.99. This one is vanilla pumpkin, pumpkin spice, and I don't think this one is a candle. Yeah, no, it's just a decorative pumpkin. Those are, the glass pumpkins are $7.99. They've got the woven pumpkins. It's a 2-pack. I think they had this same thing last year. They're $8.99 this year. It seems like they were $7.99 last year, but anyway, we have 2 of those already. We already have them out, don't we, Manny? They've got some more little candles. Apple Orchard, Amber Whispers, Spice, Forest Berries, and Cinnamon Pumpkin. These are $3.49. These trays are $12.99. And these little ottomans here are $14.99. Pots and pans. Mini slow cooker. They have the fridge trays. Did I see these last time? And the little Lazy Susan thing that you can put in the refrigerator. Those are $4.99 and $6.99. These mandarin oranges are $2.89. They never have lime. Oh, they do have limes. Sissy, grab one of those bags of limes. Most of the time I don't see limes. Blackberries are $2.19. We'll get a couple of those. These are huge. $6.99. I'm gonna get some muscadines.
Purple ones or
I like the purple ones the best. Yeah. The mango looks good this week. We'll get some mango. This isn't where we get the pizza salad kit, is it? No, that's Walmart. They have a bacon Caesar. I think we'll try this bacon Caesar. Applewood smoked cheddar. They have these little Lunchables here now. Oven roasted chicken and pepperoni. They're $2.29. So they've got cake pops, cookies and cream, and chocolate cake. S'mores or banana truffles. They have habanero ketchup. I love habanero peppers. I wonder how that would be. Is it only 34 cents? We'll try it for 34 cents. How much are these? These hot dressings are only 35 cents. Are you kidding? Let's try the hot honey ranch. What is this one? Nashville style. And then we tried the jalapeno ranch. We didn't like it too good. The mayonnaises are 79 cents. Did y'all like this mayonnaise? It was good, wasn't it? We'll get that because, I mean, it's 79 cents. These hot sauces are $1.55. These are only 49 cents. Those are great deals. That's great. How much are these pasta salad kits? They're only $1.75. These baked beans are 99 cents. I'm finding some deals in here. They've got apple pie bites. Those look good. And pumpkin sugar cookies. They've got pumpkin spice waffles. They're only $2.19. Okay, y'all, we're back home, and I'm very excited about the items that were only like 35 cents. I mean, that's almost free. I know it's not free, but it's almost free. I got one of the big take and bake pepperoni pizzas. We have ranch veggie straws. Sissy picked those out. I got a bacon Caesar chopped salad kit. I got 2 of these Santa Fe style salads. It's got iceberg lettuce, green leaf lettuce, salsa ranch dressing, white meat chicken, 4-cheese blend, roasted corn, and tortilla strips. We've had those before. They're really good. Muscadines. I love muscadines. Mango. Some of the habanero jack cheese sticks. Smoked cheddar. Colby Jack. Tonight, I'm going to make a fajita chicken fajita pasta thing. I'm just making it up. We're going to see how it is. So I got these fajita, well, it says chicken fajitas, but it's just the chicken. It's got fajita seasoning on it, so we're going to use that. And I got some pasta. We got this big bag of the Kirkwood chicken nuggets. I can't remember if we've tried these exact ones. This bag of honey barbecue chips was, I can't remember if this is one of the things that was 35 or like 50 something cents. We're gonna see if they're good. They're really good. Blackberries, oranges, limes, Sim's Gems. They're not called Sim's Gems, I just said that, but it's like Slim Jims, but the Sim's brand. String cheese, that's what Sissy's looking for. We got the s'more souffle and the banana caramel souffle to try. Mostly, I just really wanted these little glass jars that these are in because they really come in handy for different things. Olive oil spray, extra sharp cheddar, and then I got this Mediterranean protein bowl thing to try. Chocolate pastry crisps. Y'all know this is an Aldi favorite. We have loved these for years. They're wonderful. And then I got 2 candles. The cinnamon pumpkin and smoked caramel praline. I forgot about this bag. We got the hot sauce. This was like 30 something cents. Some of the hot honey barbecue. This wasn't on clearance. It was 2 something. But we got this hot honey ranch dressing. It was either 30 or 50 cents, somewhere in there. The mayonnaise was 75 cents, I think. We've tried this kind of mayonnaise before, and it's pretty good. Habanero tomato ketchup. I think it was 35 cents. And then I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 2 jars of marinara sauce, and laundry detergent. I went ahead and cooked the pasta real quick, so we've got that back there. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of butter in this skillet. Alright, we're going to put in about a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Can you hand me the milk, Sissy?
Yeah.
We're eyeballing. That's good. Go ahead and mix in that flour good. Okay, I'm going to put in a little bit of ground cumin and a little chili powder. And I'm going to put some more milk. Let me turn that down to almost all the way to low. That's probably about 1.5 cups of milk total there. We'll bring that back to a boil. I'm going to turn it back up to almost medium. Okay. We're back to a boil. I'm going to slide it off the heat for just a minute. We're going to stir in 2 cups of Colby Jack, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you want to use. We're going to add Colby Jack to this part, and I'm going to top it with the smoked cheddar. So we're going to stir this in and let the cheese melt. Okay, we'll scoot it back on the heat, but I'm going to turn it down to low for right now. I'm putting in 1 can of the diced tomatoes with green chilies, drained. Turn it back up to medium now. Okay, we're going to put in the pasta. And the chicken. Okay, so that's that part. Now we're going to shred some of the smoked cheddar and put it on the top. We'll cover it and just let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so to let the sauce really thicken up in there. And that's it. Turn it down to in between medium and low. There we go. That's great, y'all. It tastes like a fajita pasta. Almost kind of reminds you of like a chicken Alfredo, but fajita, fajita, I don't know. It's great. And that Caesar salad kit, wonderful.